Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix Instagram app not downloading on your iPhone. Well, there can be quite a few reasons for it, so let's dive right into it. So the first reason could be your internet connection. So if you are using your Wi-Fi, make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is good, or if you are using your cellular data, make sure that your network is also good. If it is the issue with your network, then you can scroll down through your control panel and simply try to turn on your airplane mode and wait for a few minutes, and then you can tap on it and turn it off, and this will set your network. So after making sure that your internet is good, and if it's still not downloading, the another issue might be with your content and privacy restrictions. So you can get to the settings of your phone, and from here you can scroll down until you see the option of screen time. Tap on screen time, and then from here you can scroll down. You can see the option of content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it, and then here you can tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and then here you can see the option of installing apps. Tap on it, and here you can see, just like this, allow should be selected, or else you can simply just go back and simply turn off this content and privacy restrictions option just like this, and then you can go back to your App Store and see if it's working or not. So if it's still not working, then you might want to make sure that your Apple account is signed in on your phone. For that, again, get to the settings, and here get to the main settings. Here you can see this is my iCloud account. Just like this, make sure that you are logged into your account. Again, make sure that you are logged into your App Store account too. So you can simply open the App Store, and then from here you can tap on your profile icon on the top right corner right here. So after tapping on it, here you can see I am currently signed into my account. If you are not, you can again sign in. But if you are signed in and if it's still not working, then you can simply try to sign out of your account. Scroll all the way down, and then you can see the option of sign out. Simply tap on sign out just like this, and then signed out of your account. You can tap on this done option right here, and here you can see we are now signed out of our account. And again, tap on the profile icon right here, and then from here you can tap on sign in with Apple account, and then tap on continue. Just like this, you can sign in and sign out of your Apple account on your App Store, and then go and see if it's working or not. So if it's still not working, then it might be the issue with your storage. So you can go back and check on your settings. From your settings, you can tap on the general option right here. And from the general, you can see the option of iPhone storage. Tap on it. And right now here you can see I only have this much of the storage left on my iPhone. If your storage is full, it might also be the issue of Instagram not being downloaded on your iPhone. So make sure to delete all of the unnecessary files and applications from your phone, and then try to install Instagram back on your phone. So even if all that did not work, then finally you can check for your software updates. So you can go back. We're back on the general option. You can see software update. Tap on it, and in here, if there is any kind of update requirement, it will show just like this. Then you can tap on update now or update tonight and update your software likewise. So even after all of that, if it's still not working, then it might be the issue with Instagram itself. Sometimes glitch like this can happen if the server is down. So you can try after 1 or 2 hours. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.